Hey guys, Coach Raymond here with Digital Entrepreneur. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about some tips and advice for the new millennium. Something every 20-year-old should hear if you're wanting to start a business in the new millennium. Hey guys, so you heard it in the intro. Today I just wanted to talk to you guys about what it takes to become an entrepreneur. So, the biggest thing I see today is with millennials that want to start a business is, number one is they just don't take the action. Don't be afraid to just dive in. Number one is take action. A lot of people talk about it, how they want to make a lot of money, how they're gonna be so rich and drive fancy cars and supercars, Lamborghinis and Ferraris. Yet the number one thing people fail to do is actually take action. It's all a bunch of talk. A lot of people, they spend weekends out partying, not focusing on themselves. The thing is, to be successful is you have to make every day like it was your last. You have to be willing to sacrifice, weekends out at the club, meeting that new girlfriend or boyfriend out at the club, and just be able to dive in to start action on a business. Guys, the thing about a business, not starting a business, it's actually staying in the business. A lot of entrepreneurs, they fail within 3 to 5 years within starting their business because they just don't stick to it. And so I would say the number one thing is be able to not only start, but take the little actions daily to make sure that you're progressing in your business. It's the simple daily actions, the simple little things every day that you do that will really drive your business. It's doing the simple little disciplines day in and day out. A lot of times people, they may think that the simple things that they do doesn't have any effect on what's going to happen tomorrow. True, if you eat a hamburger today, is it going to kill you tomorrow? Probably not. If you miss one day at the gym, are you going to look any fatter? Probably not. The thing is, it's just doing those simple disciplines day in and day out, every day. The things that are behind the doors, the things that people don't see. And that's the simple little disciplines that's going to compound over and over time. And always, guys, make sure you stay motivated. Never let the negativity creep into your mind. If you're surrounded by negative people, change who you hang out with. Try to hang out with people who have a like mindset, entrepreneurs, people who want to start up a business like you. If you're young, make sure you hang around other people who are not focused on partying all the time. I can mention on and on a list of people that they're young and all they care about is going out to the club and meeting their significant other or having a girlfriend or boyfriend at the time. But there are a handful of people, and I can even name a few on YouTube. There's one guy, Tanner J. Fox, I believe. He's only 21, 22, and he's already a multi-millionaire. He built his business in less than 2 years. I believe he started from the ground up in affiliate marketing, and from 20 years old or so, by the time he was 21, he was already a multi-millionaire, making over $1.5 million within, I think a year and a half or something like that. I don't remember. But it's guys like those, young millennials that take action and, they focus on their business, on building a business, building their brand. And if you do that, it's like I said, it's what you do in the back that truly counts. So, people say, oh, you're overnight success, someone's an overnight success. Take, for instance, Raising Cane's. When I was there at Louisiana State University, the first branch of Raising Cane's actually opened there on the campus off of Louisiana State University. And now today's 2018, he has chains everywhere, and I think he's actually starting to even branch out over across the nation, maybe to like California and New York if he hasn't already. But the guy's a multi-millionaire, starting one branch, Raising Cane's. It's just a small business focused only on chicken nuggets The thing is, he focused on one thing and he never gave up, and he perfected his Raising Cane sauce, and then he started building up his brand based off of a dog. His Raising Cane is actually his dog, and so he built his business upon that, and he never gave up. He had some competition around LSU, and he beat him out. Just never give up, guys, is the message that I'm trying to get across to you. So as a new millennium, as a young 20-year-old, 18-year-old, whatever your age, just make sure that, whatever you decide to do, make sure that you make it a part of your daily lifestyle, not just a habit. And don't try to do too many things at once. Don't try to jump around. I would definitely recommend that you find your niche, what you're passionate about, what you enjoy doing. And then what you want to do is you want to make that a part of your daily lifestyle. You want to make sure that you engross yourself within whatever it is that you're passionate about. And guys, one thing I want to say is don't jump around. Whatever you like doing, whatever you enjoy, find that niche. And once you find it, just make sure that you can test things out and try things out and see what helps to drive your business. But the thing is, don't try to jump around to too many different businesses, and your mind gets all scattered, and you don't focus on your business, and you're not able to focus driving and promoting your business. So don't try to get all scatterbrained and try 2 to 3 different things to see what works, what may or may not work. So just make sure that you find whatever it is that you're passionate about, whatever it is that you enjoy doing in life. Just make sure that you make that a part of your daily life and focus on that for 3 to 6 months. Just make sure that you don't try to jump around to too many different businesses. You want to make sure that you do try out your business by whether or not it's the marketing, or whether or not you're trying to promote a dog walking service, for instance. In that same instance, if you're trying to promote your dog walking business, and then you have, say, a babysitting services for animals, you want to make sure that you're not trying to do too many things at once. Pick one thing that you're truly passionate about, try to grow it as much as you can before trying to add to that business. So take, for instance, if you're not sure what to do, what I did in my business is I started an online business for affiliate marketing. At the time, I didn't realize that was what I was doing. But the thing is here is, once I started that, I didn't try to jump around and look on to other businesses like this new craze, Bitcoin. What is that? And don't try to jump around to different businesses, different niches. Just try to focus on one thing that you love, one thing that you're passionate about, and just do the daily grind. Stay immersed into your business and watch how it will grow just by making sure that you're passionate about it, making sure that you stay engrossed in your business. And number one, like I said, just take action. Start marketing, start doing whatever it is, start doing whatever it takes to really promote your business, to drive traffic, to drive customers and clients into your business. Talk about it, think about it, just having the right mindset, weed out all the negativity. So that's just my rant here for today. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my videos if you like the content. If you thought it was helpful, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. It's in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Just make sure that if you do like it, let me know. Leave me a big thumbs up, share it, comment below if you do like it, so I can keep making more of these videos, guys. See you in the next one.